The Huntress, a character from DC Comics created in the 1940s by Mort Meskin. I say character, but at the time she wasn't really a full character, she was just kind of your run-of-the-mill villain of the week type of situation. In the early days, she appeared in a lot of Sensation Comics, which was a Wonder Woman series, and like I said, she really just acted as a villain of the week, someone that was there so Wonder Woman could stop her and beat her up and, make Wonder Woman look good, basically. Also, some of her earlier outfits were really bad, like it's leopard print, but then it's tiger print, but it's neither, but it's both. And she has these weird cat ears. She's a huntress, not a cat. Then again, they did make Cheetah later, so. Anyway, after she was a villain for a while, she just kind of wasn't in the comics hardly at all. It wasn't until many years later when Joe Staton and Joey Cavalieri, or Double Joe as I like to call them, reintroduced her, this time as a much more interesting character, less of a villain and more of an anti-hero. So as the JoJo Power Rangers continued writing stories for Huntress, eventually the multiverse was introduced, and that's where you get into the Earth 2 iteration of her, which is my favorite version because she's the daughter of Batman and Catwoman. And that brings me to the drawing that I'm going to do today, because I'm going to draw that version. And now that I've talked for 6 hours straight, I'm going to let you watch the drawing and the art and enjoy the rest of the video. I'll talk to you probably at the end. I'll try to keep it brief. Don't want this video to be too long, but yeah, let's get to that. Well, what do you think? Did you like the drawing? I liked it. I had a good time with it. Huntress is one of my favorite characters, so I put a little more passion into it, you know? I really like drawing her. I really like doing my own iterations and all that kind of stuff. I really wish she was represented more in media, you know? I'd just like to see her in more things. But then I saw her in the Birds of Prey movie, and after seeing that, I was like, yeah, maybe she shouldn't be in more things. I don't know. I didn't really like that movie, obviously, but that was just me. So, I don't know. I thought she was a really badass character in the old Justice League Unlimited show, but even then, she was hardly in it. Anyway, that's enough rambling from me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I also hope that you're taking care of yourself, mentally and physically. These things are important. There's always someone ready and willing to help, so reach out if you need to. But that's it for this one. Thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate it. Next upload should be soon-ish. Not sure when, but I'll see you then.